Teddy Vlogs. Today's video, we're only going to be eating orange food for 24 hours. It's going to be hard, and when I went to Tesco's, it was very, very hard to get hold of orange food. Now, we saw this on Saffron Barker's YouTube page. Obviously, you're going to all already know her. We absolutely love her YouTube page. If you don't know her, go over and check her out. So yes, this is just the intro. This is a different day. Just a small disclaimer, we don't eat breakfast, so obviously it will be like a brunch, lunch, dinner, and then snacks and drinks throughout the day. So we hope you like the video, and let's dive in.
Yo guys, and welcome to our 24-hour orange food challenge. So, got orange food here, our Lucozade, Doritos, and what we could find closest to, well, I think it's pretty good, to be honest. Chicken Caesar wraps. You see the wraps are quite orange. Yeah, I can't wait to eat, guys. I'm absolutely starving.
So just a disclaimer, we don't really eat breakfast when we're at home. We tend to just have a brunch, which is what we've got. So obviously we've got a bottle of Lucozade each. We've got a bag of tangy cheese Doritos. And obviously, like Dean just said, the chicken Caesar wrap, which is orange. It's the closest I could find to something for lunch. We saw this on Saffron Barker's YouTube channel, and she's another YouTuber that we absolutely really love. So we thought we'd give this challenge a go. Obviously, I did get some snack bits and some stuff for dinner. Obviously, I'll show you all that later. But for now, we're just gonna get dived in. I'll speed up us eating it and hope that you like it.
You're gonna live on rations, basically. Yeah.
So let's dive in. Teddy is running around in the background, so obviously there's food around. So yeah.
Teddy was a little interested, yeah.
So that obviously we sped up a little bit because you didn't want to sit there and watch us eat the whole of the lunch. Everything was quite nice. The wrap was a bit dry. Obviously I love the Doritos.
Dry. It's one of the best wraps out there.
And obviously I've still got some Lucozade, which I will drink obviously throughout the day. I can't drink all of that in one sitting. And obviously my facial expression, if you saw, it was quite fizzy. So yes.
Oh, it's Lucozade. You expect them.
So we're just going to watch some TV now, chill for a bit. Obviously Teddy's coming up because he wants to know if there's any food left, and there's not.
Teddy,
we will...
Did you not get a Dorito, Bubba?
Oh. We will come back on when we're having a snack, or if we come back on for dinner. So we'll see you all then. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Okay, we're just popping back on again. It's obviously a lot later now. I've done a few jobs today. But now we're going to sit down and watch The Grinch on Netflix. Sorry, Teddy's joining in with the orange theme, clearly. And he's just got his carrot toy out. So obviously I've still got my orange Lucozade, and usually we would have like chocolate, sweets, popcorn. But today, because it's only in orange things for 24 hours,
we have the orange Wotsits.
the giant orange Wotsits. So we're going to munch through them and watch the film.
I must say it's my favourite time of the day, snack time, and just chilling and watching a film. So yeah, I've not seen the animated version of Grinch, so it's going to be interesting. I've seen the real life, obviously the proper version of Grinch, but I've never seen the animated version. So yeah, hopefully it'll be good. Chill back with the Wotsits, and yeah, hopefully it'll be a good film.
Okay, so we're going to start the film now, and obviously us like watching the film and just munching will be sped up. Okay.
What size them bad boys? Oh my god, Jesus. You said giant Wotsits?
So it's now dinner time. Dean isn't here with me, obviously, one, because they're ready meals, so I can do that and prepare that. And two, his leg's hurting at the moment, so I've told him to rest and I'll take dinner into him. So tonight, as we're eating all things orange, we have got the Tesco ready meal chicken tikka masala with pila rice. I know the rice is like a tint of orange yellow, but obviously that's all I could find. We only have a small Tesco's by our house, and with us both not driving, it has to be convenient for us. Hopefully it's nice, never had it before. So I'm just going to pop them both in the microwave now, and then I will come back to you when we're sat down eating them. I'm just casually waiting for the food to cook. Does anybody else find microwave meals, they're okay for quick and convenience, However, some of them don't taste very nice, so I'm actually very concerned on how this one is going to taste. But we shall see. I'm now sat down now and I'm joined again with Dean. We've got our chicken tikka masala curry with pila rice from Tesco's.
Very hot, very nice.
Well, I've never had it before.
It's not hot, no, it's not spicy in that time. I mean, like, it's burning my hands.
Oh, it looks a little bit watery, not gonna lie.
So Tesco's, you get a 1 out of 5. Gordon Ramsay would say get out of the kitchen.
But anyway, we're just gonna watch TV now, sit down and eat this.
Good old soap time.
I'll give it a speed up for you now. So we've now finished our dinner. I've actually left some of mine, just too much for me, and I thought the sauce was quite watery.
And I decimated it, so unlucky.
And he's ate it all. It was 2 for £5 in Tesco's if anyone is interested. But other than that, that's the challenge over. We're not going to eat anything else today now because it's quite late. So
maybe a midnight, after midnight snack, but okay, that would mean leaving in 24 hours, guys.
So what we want you to do is
hit the subscribe button, give us 1,000,000 likes. Thank you for your support, guys.
And don't forget to comment. See you soon.
Follow our Insta.
Bye.